Under no circumstances.
Feed me!
I will not, so stop asking!
Feed me!
I can't take much more of this. Look, I'll run down to the corner and pick you up a pound of rare roast beef. Maybe that'll hold you until Life magazine gets here.
No way!
Look, it's my last offer. Yes or no?
It's better than nothing.
Done. Fine. Great. Don't expect any dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex. But voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour. Talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
What's that, Dad?
You looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey II. This plan is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A fever.
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my breath. I'm a guy, honey. Come on and give me a sweet.
I don't know if I should.
Little bit now.
But that's not water, right?
If I drink it straight.
Oh, the fridge is off the cry, poor thing.
Don't need no glass, you know why.
Stop it, the can.
Don't need no twist of a line. And now it's supper time. Well, I need out a little easier. Come on, Toney, dance, Brandon, push me. They're all inside.
Get off her! Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. Oh, no.
Don't die, Audrey. I need you. Please, please, don't die.
No. The princess said a strange thing just now. It said that Orrin and Mr. Mullins were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big. It's strong and so face.
I've done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live the growth and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give to you. And if I'm in the plant, well then I'm a part of the plant. So, in a way, we'll always be us together. You watch.